Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Code Mode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning what is coding, and in today's class we will learn about how does computer programs work. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and follow our channel by subscribing if you are watching on YouTube. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses. You simply need to click subscribe button. Let's begin. Computers can't think, and at the same time, computer can execute really well. Computer can execute in a very short span of time. All we have to do is to write a program, and a program is nothing but set of instructions. Now, if we want computer to do some task, we need to give the set of instructions, and that is the most important part. But at a high level, every computer program takes some input. That input could be, mostly the data, and they process that data, which is nothing but set of steps, and gives us the output. And this is a universal truth. Every computer program takes some input, it performs some processing that we have taught them, we have feed that set of steps. So it's a data plus set of steps is what gives us the desired output. By remembering this basic principle, you will be able to understand why we write computer programs, and the type of data we feed into it. All of that part will start making sense. But at a high level, remember that a computer program takes some input and a set of steps, what we refer as processing, apply it in the data to generate the. That's all in this class. If you have any questions or on any part of the concept, you can post it in the community on our platform, and either I or another teacher or a student will answer that. Please take time to solve the quiz to test your knowledge and understanding, because practice is the only way to learn. Happy learning, and I will see you all in the next class.